Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Andrash and this is my bike, my BMW R100 custom, the way it was and the way it is at this moment. I hope you will like the story, and of course thanks again for tuning in. Of course, the first thing to do is to paint the rusted parts. The frame and all major parts were powder coated to black. The black is the black, and all other parts, or especially the engine, was done by a pro here in Slovenia, Danilo Henigman. He's the man. He also installed new pistons to this 800 ccm engine. The new pistons are from 1000 engine, so now it has a little bit more power, around 60 horsepower. Otherwise, all other things were done in house in SEM Customs. We did some seat frame, wiring, custom engine cover from carbon. The paint of the fuel tank was done by JGD Airbrush. Janez Golmar, he's my friend and he's absolutely maestro at his work. I wanted something that looks rusty and old, used, and he really nailed the paint job. Otherwise, a lot of new parts on the bike, new rear shock, front forks were lowered for 4 centimeters, new handlebar, grips, mirrors. The seat was done by Gregor Kopacz, aka Frog. Aftermarket exhaust, and this is how the bike turns out in edition 1, Mad Max. On the front fairing, I installed lots and lots of little metal spikes that really did some visual effects on the bike. Like I said, I loved it like it was, but the cups weren't that didn't share this enthusiasm with me. They said that the bike is dangerous, so I decided to go without front fairing, and this is how it is at this moment. Of course, I still like the looks of this bike. Also, aftermarket exhausts were too loud, so I installed back the original exhausts, and also that is because I ride a lot this bike. This is my daily driver. And okay, this is it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask me in the comments. Like and subscribe. And of course, stay safe on the road. Bye guys.